people that just bought for
You'll
the
notice this has no
330,
hood,
one of the
no
guys
roof, no
has a
windshield.
limp, so it's going to
This
take
is
him a
called
little
a
bit to
suction
get down
car.
there.
It's got one of the most powerful engines of its type, 14 horsepower. And this is strong enough to pull carts behind it. We have a cart, and we have two of them there with a windshield and a roof. Same principle, but they're more lightly powered. So your inspectors would go out on a daily or weekly basis and find problems. Trucks, which are the pickup trucks you may have been referencing on CSX. Yeah. That replaced this. And now those have padded seats and yeah, double flywheel, but single cylinder with the spark plug in the front, so it's horizontally. Carbureted engine with the gas tank in the back from a 1928 Model T Ford. Ready to go.